Ike, give me America. He slippers. Stop me. I need to look at you want to go 2 times. We must take the limit. I'm wicked.
What is wrong with you?
What is wrong?
Dudu, stop it! Drop that thing! And you, drop those bottles!
Hey!
You children can never give me breathing space in this house!
Hey!
What has come over you? Every time, fight! Eh?
Hey!
What happened? Tell me.
Nebeni!
Why are you fighting?
Ask her!
Eh?
Mama, ask her. Mama!
Yes?
Just because I wore her slippers and went to the stream to fetch water, she saw me coming back. She did not even ask me anything. She started beating me. Mama, why would she beat me? Because I want to wear slippers, Mama.
Linda.
Don't you make it on my sin? Don't you?
Linda, did you hear her? Is it true?
Before Uncle. Hey, why would she use my slippers? Slippers in a joker. I wear these slippers to church to look good for God. She will wear to go and fetch water. Not only did she go the first one, second one, planning to go on the third one with my slippers. We should go sit on the way, what will happen?
Hey, Linda, why are you so wicked?
Mwanka.
Why are you so wicked?
Okay.
Oh, you want your younger sister to take permission from you before
Why
you
would
do
she
your
take
hair?
permission from me?
Is that good? Hey, you should be ashamed of yourself for fighting your younger sister. Yes, tell me. What does she learn from you? Tell me the good things you do. You, drop that bottle. Drop those bottles. Oh, you have to listen.
Oh, baby, why are you out here? Come inside now. Come, let's go.
I want to ask you something.
You want to ask me something outside here? What is it that you can ask me inside there?
Yes.
Okay, say it. I'm all ears. I'm listening. What is it?
What am I still doing in my father's house? When will you come and do what is required for you to do? Eh? What am I still doing in my father's house?
It's like you fought with your sister again.
You see what I mean?
So what caused the fight?
Is it not Neka when she will not respect me? Eh? She will not respect me in that house. Be looking for someone's trouble up and down. Nonsense.
That does not answer my question. What is the cause of the fight?
Never mind.
I should never mind now. Okay. It's okay, no problem. So can we go inside now? Can we? See, I understand how you feel. But, you see, I just buried my father 4 months back. And I need some time, at least to arrange some things and make some things right. At least a year to mourn him before talking anything marriage. You're from this community and you know what I'm talking about. Okay, just give me just 8 months to mourn my father. Okay? And I know you know that.
I've heard you. I understand. It's just that girl keeps annoying me all the time. She's just frustrating me in that house.
No. Nneka that I know is not a troublemaker. What I want you to do is to set yourself very well because I know you're the cause of all these problems.
Meaning?
Oh. You're my fiancé. You're the one I want to marry, about to marry. So I know you very well.
Oh. So me, I'm not the troublemaker.
And I didn't say that, but you have to say. I didn't say you're a troublemaker. I say you should set yourself.
Oh.
You know. But anyway.
Okay, see, they want to quit.
It's okay. It's okay. Let's cut the topic. Can you prepare something for me?
No, it is Nneka that will come and prepare it too. She's the peacemaker and the troublemaker. Before I can burn your kitchen, it's Nneka that will come and cook it too.
Wait, that you're not going to prepare me food to eat? Your husband to be?
Yes.
You don't want to prepare anything for me to eat?
Yes, Nabia cook way.
Okay.
She will come and prepare it.
Thank God I know how to cook.
It's Nneka that will come and cook it. Where are you going?
You say you're not going to prepare my food. So let me go and do it. You know I know how to cook.
We are not going anywhere.
Let me do it myself.
So you're not looking for who they will say is looking for trouble up here? That's what you're looking for.
But you say you're not cooking for me.
They are looking.
Let me go and do it.
Good evening, sir.
You're welcome. Yeah, Linda.
Sir?
Where are you coming from?
I'm coming from Paul's house.
At this time of the night?
Papa would have come back since so. But when I wanted to go, Paul said, don't go. I said, Paul, why? He said, Linda, cook for me. That's why I'm coming back now.
Linda, get a chair and sit down. I want to talk to you.
Sir?
I said, get a chair and sit down. I want to talk to you. Linda.
Sir.
Your mother told me that you fought with your sister Nneka this afternoon. Why? That I don't want to hear anything from that. Don't say one word. What's going on? Now listen, enough is enough. Henceforth, any day, any time both of you fight in this compound, you pack out of this compound for me. Oh yes. I've had enough of the two of you. The reason I called you, Linda, I know that Paul is your husband to be, but your constant visits to his house worries me. Please. Don't let pregnancy come into it. Because if it does, it is going to be a very big problem. Very big one. No child of a cabinet member from Digwe's palace must be pregnant before marriage. Or else, that cabinet member will be expelled and all his posts taken away from him. That will bring shame to us. And don't even think of abortion. Never. It's a taboo from our family. If you do it or dip your hand into blood, on death. Biku. Please. A word is enough for the wise. Please. Good night.
Good morning. Sister, I'm greeting you. Good morning.
Linda, is it not you that your younger sister is greeting?
Mama, please, I have somewhere important to go to this morning.
That has not answered my question.
I don't have time for idle greetings, oh. Not the way Kenny, I don't want. She don't greet me. Ha. Because if your pockets are greeting, oh. Somewhere important to go. I've kept my tea here, oh. Nobody should touch it, oh.
Mama, please. Let her go, okay?
What is wrong with her?
Oh, it's too early for this. Please, I don't have time for all this morning. Just let her.
Your father is right. And most importantly, my church forbids a woman getting pregnant before wedding. And such wedding cannot happen in my church. So we have to wait till the morning of my father is over. Then we can have ourselves, all by ourselves, till the rest of our lives. Do you understand? Okay. Good. Okay, let me go and prepare for work. Yes, I left some workers at the site. I have to go and meet them.
Stay small now. I just came. I don't want to go.
You have to go. This is what put food on my table.
Oh, yeah,
on our table.
Go now.
What is it?
Go now. Go.
You're not laughing.
What do you want me to say again?
I want you to smile for me.
Go.
That was sweet. That was sweet. Anyway, I will see you when I come back.
Oh,
I'll see you when I come back. The house plan is fine. It's wonderful.
Yeah. Everyone that sees this comments on it, I've got the plan from Philmond.
Wow, same loan?
Yes.
So when do you intend completing the building?
You are the contractor, so you tell me.
And your money will talk. Once you give me money, I'll start the job immediately. By next week, you see the magic I will do.
Alright, I'll give you 65% of your charge. Then I will wait and see how fast you are before going back to Sweden.
65% I'm working on. It's nice. I'm a man now. If you can make it up to 70, I think it's better.
70%. Alright, deal.
Oh, for real?
Yeah.
Then,
tomorrow morning, you can meet me. I'll transfer the money to you.
no problem. What I'm seeing here is wonderful.
Yeah, I also have another one on my phone. I can show you.
Sister, I got the clothes. Sister, why? Why?
I don't trust these jobs.
Linda. Nne.
We go with you.
Let us help you. Stand up.
No, go and
let
do what
us help
doing.
you. Eh?
Go and do what you are doing now. Go by myself. Sister, please let me help you.
Leave me now. Let me help you.
Yeah. Oh.
Ha. Doing something as the person is. Can't even help someone with her slippers. Can't help somebody with slippers.
No, give her your own.
Mama, leave me alone. Ah.
Okay, she has her own. Hey, Linda, your father is here. You said you want to talk to us.
Yes, ma'am.
What is it?
Papa, there's something I want to talk to you about.
I'm listening.
There's this friend of mine that lives in Ajali. And she said I should come and help her. I said, friend, what is it? She said she's pregnant and that her mother-in-law is sick. And she needs somebody to come and stay with her till she delivers. So that's what I said. Let me ask.
Wait, I don't understand. Are you trying to tell us that you want to go and stay with your friend until she delivers?
Yes, she has been calling me for 1 full week. I didn't agree until I just said, let me agree, then ask you people.
Sister, please. How many months pregnant is this your friend?
Master, are you my father? It's 3 months.
3 months pregnant. Sister, so you mean you want to go and stay with her for like 6 months before you come back?
Till she delivers.
It's like you people are not saying this thing when I'm saying it. Diane, you said you want to go and stay with your friend for 6 months.
Till she delivers in Ajali.
What do you want us to tell your husband to be poor if he comes?
Papa, that one is not a problem. I will handle it.
Adima. Don't have any objection. Just be very careful. That's much.
What are you trying to say? That we should allow her to go or what?
What do you want me to say? She says she can handle the situation. Let her go ahead. My own is be very careful. Linda, bele yo.
Since her father has supported her, what do you want me to say again?
Mama, 6 months. Sister, all I'm saying that 6 months is far. Don't blame your husband if he takes another wife.
Linda, do you think your husband will allow you to go?
Ha! Husband. Mama, when I am married though, Ha! When I am married.
Your mouth will be running like a tap water. Eh?
So, what are you trying to say?
I said that my friend from Ajale called me and said, friend, come and help me. I said, why? She said she's pregnant and she's always sick and that her mother-in-law is not feeling well too. I said, friend, yeah, why are you telling me? She said she wants me to come and help her in Ajale. I said, friend, Ajale is far. Ajale is far. And I don't know. So she kept disturbing me. I just said, let me come and help her. That's why I came to tell you.
Okay, it's okay. But how long are you going to be away?
Because of the way she said it, I'm thinking around 6 months.
6 months? Only 6 months?
What is it?
Hey, 6 months is too much. It's too much. Hey, man, I'm missing you.
6 months is not too much. It's more. She said it's until she delivers because she's pregnant. 6 months is not. See now, before I walk to the gates, 3 months I got before Jelo, even 3 months.
You know why I said it's too much?
Why?
Okay, it's okay. But if I want to see you, how do I locate you?
But don't worry yourself. Just be going to work out. You know you're always working every day, and I don't want you to disturb yourself. Just concentrate on your work. 6 months. Wait, 6 months on Kwanifo.
No problem. Just take care of yourself for me and be careful.
After that 6 months now, it will not come and match with that time that you are saying that you come and do something for my head. Can you not talk?
I'm not talking much. I'm not talking much. 6 months is too much.
Linda, you mean you lied to your parents and fiancé that you want to go and visit your pregnant friends whose mother-in-law is sick? Am I pregnant?
Leave that thing, no. Forget it. I know what I said and I know why I said what I said. Just leave it.
Linda, tell me, what if they decide to look for you and find out that all what you told them were all lies? What would you do?
Nebekwan, how? I have handled that one. Leave this thing, it's my lie. It is not your lie. So leave me to lie my lie. The lie is my own. Okay? Linda. Please, is there something in the house? I'm hungry.
I don't have food. I don't have food.
What do you mean?
I said I don't have any food in this house. If you want to eat, you know the way to the kitchen. Go to the kitchen and prepare food for yourself.
If I enter that kitchen and cook something, if you even taste the salt, no, it's not me.
I'll test it first.
No. Just come to the house. Money is not done. I'm going to give it. Yes. No problem. Just do whatever.
Well done, sir.
Excuse me. Let me call you. Wait. Yes. No, come close. Please, excuse us.
Okay, no problem.
Are you not Nega, Mazu Doji's second daughter?
Yes, I am. Any problem?
No. I'm Obina, Mazu Nzekwe's son. They are based in Lagos.
Oh, Obinna, Mazi Zekwe.
Yes.
You're welcome, sir. You said you wanted to talk to me. What is it? What is it?
No problem. It's just that I like you.
My son.
Papa.
You said you have found the wife you want to marry.
Yes, Papa, I found someone. Mazu Dodge's second daughter.
Have you discussed with her?
Yes, Papa, I've discussed with her and she says she will think about it and get back to me.
Right. That is how it is done. Udoji's family is a good family. And I like it. But let's pray it works.
Papa, it will work.
Have you gone to your new building site and what did you see?
Papa, I like what I see.
Yeah, the contractor is doing a very nice job there.
I asked him to come over in the morning to collect some money. You know, now that I'm going for my marriage, so I need everything to be fast as.
I like it. Yeah. I like it.
Yeah.
Right.
Hey. Bia, Neka, greet our visitors. Greet them. Go ahead. I don't know who goat. Oyilinaya.
Oh, that look good.
I don't know who goat.
Oga to be.
Okay, same here. Hi. I'm working for the office.
This is Mazi Nzekwe. The young man sitting there is his son, Obinna. And of course, you know your uncle. It's your fault. Mazi Nzekwe came here with his son. They have come to ask for your hand in marriage. Now, they brought this drink. Do we accept their drink?
Papa, go ahead and enjoy your drinks.
Chelo. Did you listen very well? I did not say they came here to come and marry Linda, your sister who got married last month. They have come to ask for your hand in marriage. Do we accept their drink, qui or quickly? Drink, qui or quickly?
I heard you loud and clear. Go ahead and enjoy your drink.
I'll come to show you.
Doctor, please talk to me. How is my wife and my baby?
Mr. Paul.
Doctor, what is it? Talk to me.
Calm down. Please sit down.
Doctor, you're not saying anything.
Just sit down. Okay. Your wife is fine.
Oh, thank you. Thank God.
I'm sorry we lost the baby.
Not again. Not again. Not again. What is this? What is going on? Who is doing this to me? What have I done wrong? This is the third time my wife is giving birth to a dead baby. And series of miscarriages. What have I done wrong? Who have I wronged? What is this? Does it mean that my wife is an Obanje or belongs to the marine world?
Oh. How can you say that? Why would you think it's my fault, or why do you think I belong to any of those things you mentioned? What if we have enemies working against us? You didn't even think of the external factors, you're just blaming me.
And who is the enemy? Who is the person doing this to us? Baby. Baby. It's okay. It's okay. I'm sorry. It's okay. Maybe we'll go to the hospital and see the doctor. He might tell us the cause of this problem and maybe give us a solution.
How can you think it's my fault?
It's okay. It's okay.
Chukwu chekwube m o, ụdalugo nwa m ewo. Chukwu chekwube m o, oyo oyo mama ewo. Chukwu chekwube m o, achalugo nwa m bịa kene. Nne gị na-akpọ gị o, elebe ukwu egwu ewu o. Ugogbe m ji ahụ ụzọ e, ọlaedo nwa m obi ya, ọmụma asarụ o. Nwa m jem ọnụ bịa, bịa bie m ọma. Asị m onye na-akpọ nwa mma ewo. Chukwu chekwube m o, ụdalugo nwa m ewo. Chukwu chekwube m o, oyo oyo mama ewo. Chukwu chekwube m o.
Mama, oh, Mama, you won't kill me. Well, who taught you this song? Hey, I love this song.
I composed it for you.
Mama, see it. The song that you're calling from Mama. Who's not calling me Mama? I like that name.
You like it, eh? And you like the song too. Okay, I will teach you the song, and then from today, I will start calling you Mama.
Mama, sing again.
Onye na-akpọ nwa mma ewo. Chukwu chekwube m o, ụdalugo nwa m ewo. Chukwu chekwube m o, oyo oyo mama ewo. Chukwu chekwube m o achala ugo nwa m bịa kene nne gị na-akpọ gị o elebe ukwu egwu ewu o ugogbe m ji ahụ ụzọ.
Doctor, I am very confused. Very, very confused. My wife here has given birth in this hospital several times. With many miscarriages. What should be the cause of all these problems? What is happening? Doctor, how do we solve this? And what's the solution? Or is there anything wrong with both of us?
There is nothing wrong with both of you. I think the problem she's having is stress. That's just the problem. She should work on that. If she can stop stressing herself, she'll carry her own baby.
Doctor, when you talk of stress, we don't have plenty house chores to cause the stress.
Let me ask you, Mr. Paul. Are you living with anyone in your house? I mean, any housemate to assist her in the house chores?
No, it's just the two of us.
You see what I'm talking about? That is the problem. Both of you, that means she's the only one doing the house chores. And doing that is stress. So I would suggest you employ someone who will help her in doing all that. Immediately you work on this, you will see your wife, she'll carry her own baby. All she needs is to eat, relax herself. She should do more on diet. She needs rest.
Okay. Doctor, we've heard you. Thank you very much. Honey, let's go.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Baby.
Yes?
I wanted to go and discuss with your mother to help you find a girl. Please help you to do some housework.
Okay. But a girl of about how old?
Any girl that can be able to work, you know, as long as the person is capable to do the housework, doing some cleaning, cooking, washing, you know. Any girl that can work. Even if it's a girl of 30 years. That can...
What? 30 years? 30?
Yes, 30. Is there anything wrong with that?
No, there's no problem. It's okay.
So?
No problem.
As long as the person can walk.
No problem.
Okay, good.
I have something I was doing inside. Let me go and conclude it.
Chekube, Mama. Why are you back so early from school? What happened? Huh?
They sent me out of school because I've not paid my school fees.
But I asked you to tell your headmaster that I will bring the money next week. Eh?
You traveled. And those teachers, they refused to listen to me.
Oh my God. What do we do now?
I don't know.
It's okay. Maybe we'll go to the farm and harvest some cassava and sell in the market to make some money. Eh? Don't worry, you will pay your school fees. Oh? You will pay.
My daughter, there is problem. This thing is going to be hard.
Hard? How do you mean, Mama?
Because the way you young married women treat children these days. The parents are afraid to release their children. You treat them as if they are slaves.
Those women and those people. But that's not for me now. You know I cannot take someone's child, bring into my house and start to maltreat the person. Remember?
Okay. Are you not my daughter, Linda? I know. Or have you changed?
I got her as a comment. Mama, what are you trying to say? I don't understand. Why are you talking like this? Are you trying to insinuate or trying to tell me that I'm wicked?
Or have you changed? I have not said so. I didn't say you are wicked. Because I remember the way you used to treat your sister when both of you were here before you got married. Every day, fight.
Is that where you are putting your hands? That one is old now. No, now.
Oh, have you changed?
Mama, stop it now. I'm not like that now.
Okay.
You are just saying it to know what I'll say. You just change my life. You know I've changed. I'm not before.
Okay, I will try. I will try. But my daughter, please be very careful. In case if I see anyone, you
see somebody. How is Neka?
Okay, Neka. They are doing fine. I even spoke with them 2 days ago. They are doing fine. So how is your husband?
He's fine.
Allow your daughter to go with my daughter. If not for any other thing, consider her condition. She will treat her very well.
And most importantly, I will put her in a good school.
It's not that I don't like your family or your daughter, but I have vowed that nothing will make me give out my daughter as a house help. Because of what one woman did to Becca's daughter, who is serving under her. Hey, she had to press hot iron on that little girl's chest. Simply because she broke a teacup.
My daughter has no such heart. She will treat her very well.
I'm just afraid. I don't want anything to happen to my daughter, so I can't let her go, please.
Let's go. Okay, thank you.
Mama, why not allow me to go with you?
Shut up! What do you know? Eh? You better be. Come on, go inside.
Son, your mama, my daughter. You've heard what he said. Will you go with him?
Yes, Mama, you
go. Hey, Alfredo, thank you very much. Thank you, even. In that case, get your things together. We'll come for you first thing tomorrow morning. Okay. You know? Hey, Afraid, my regards to your husband when he comes back. No, at least you're happy now. Yes. Got someone. Okay, friend. Thank you.
How do you mean? Hey, listen, how do you mean? I don't want to share my husband with another woman. No. Hey!
Lie. Wait. I still don't understand.
Did you see the wristwatch she was wearing? The lipstick on her lips, the ribbon on her head, then the way she was standing. Hey, Mama, bow. Onye God, too matured. She's too matured. I told him, cha-cha. Wabi namdim bow. Hey, ne bed.
Okay. What do we do now?
We will look for another person. We'll find another person.
Your problems are many. Please, I'm going home. I'm so tired.
We'll find another person. No, I don't want this one.
I will not again.
This one is too much.
Your problems are so many.
I will not sell my daughter into slavery. Never. A bed.
See, Aplonia, what I'm trying to tell you is to release your daughter to go and live with my daughter in the township. That's what I'm asking for.
We are saying the same thing. Leaving my daughter to go and live with your daughter in the city is as the same thing as selling her into slavery.
Aplonia, why are you sounding this way? I thought we are close friends.
That is the reason why I am sounding this way. To keep that friendship. So that it does not result to something else in the future.
Hey!
Yes! You know what these young married women do to ourselves?
After staying in your house for 3 days, told the whole village and the neighboring community you couldn't find a house girl?
Nobody. Everybody is just scared of giving their children out to stay with people, to help people. They keep complaining that they will turn their children to slaves. So it's very difficult now.
Anyway, I don't blame anyone because the way people maltreat people's children these days is terrible. As for me, what will make me ever give up my child?
Are you trying to say that there are no good women at all?
There are few men, very few. But it's okay. So what's the next thing to do now?
I don't know. But I have not lost hope. We'll keep looking and searching. We'll find.
Okay.
Let me go inside and get and freshen up and make something for us to eat.
No problem. Let me call
Solo.
Let me call Solo.
That one that refuses to pay people.
Hello? Solo?
Oh.
Hello? Solo? Is Waziko there? Okay. Me and your house help.
Paul, who is this?
Our house help. Our new house help.
Awa. Hello.
She's very hardworking.
What is your name?
My name is Tessie, but my friends call me Tessie Baby.
Tessie Baby.
Honey, it's okay. But I know with time, we get to know each other more. Tessie. You go get your bag. Honey, I hope she's okay.
Very okay.
She's very hardworking.
Yes. But do you have, just give me 500 naira first. 500? 500 naira. Give me 500. Thank you. Tessie baby.
Okay, so you guys should get along.
It is because I'm a good somebody and I have church mind. I'm not going to ask you for change from this money. Okay. Take it. You know the road that you people came from? That road, you know it from here. I want you to look for Okada. Now, enter the Okada. Be running. Now, be going. Be going. Just if I turn back now and see you here, you will not like me. Be going to go and meet those people that sent you to me and my husband. Be going, oh. Be going. Be going, oh. Go. Be going. Don't look back, mancha. You see this your waist that you are shaking. Shake away. Hey, shake away. Shake on. Shake it. Don't stop, oh.
Honey?
Don't stop.
Honey, what is it?
Now, Tessie baby is what you brought for me. Shake on. Shake it and go. Shake it and be going. Be going.
Do you know how much I suffer to bring this girl to this house?
Now suffer. Don't suffer again, oh. Don't suffer. It's me you are doing favor. I don't want again. If it's this type that you are bringing for me, hey! Chelu, if you want second wife, it's okay. I will enter there and pack my load so that Tessie baby will take over. If you call him, he says, okay, Paul, which mouth will I use to tell this one to sweep the compound? Hey!
Okay, at least let me go and drop her.
Don't go anywhere.
It's okay, Tessie.
Hey! Come like this, oh. Hey! So that she will not disturb your spirits. I said be going.
Okay, at least.
Be going.
At least let me drop her.
Bob, you will kill me, oh. You will kill me in this compound, oh. Where's gonna? Oh, so Linda baby is not good for you. It's that you want.
What will her mother say? What will her mother say? What will her mother say? You know how far I went to bring this girl to this house?
Did she give you anything to eat? Did this girl give you anything to eat?
Leave my cloth, let me go inside.
Go no.
Leave my cloth.
Go, yeah, go inside. Go. Hey!
Molly, please, I have to drop this girl.
Paul, you will kill me.
What is it?
Enter the house.
No, stop this.
Paul,
please.
Paul. I'm in yogi. Hey! Enter. Go, listen. Hey! She even sat in my seat. Now, first lady. Chair lady.
Her mother say.
So that she would travel from morning, afternoon, night. Then I'll run and go. Mban. It's not in this compound. Hey! Linda Tawo.
calm down now. Are you not tired? I'm not tired. No, I'm tired. I want to go home. You can't do work.
Hell. Chekube, my daughter, please now. Let's do more work. We still have much time, won't we?
I cannot bear it again. I want to go home. I'm tired.
We'll go home.
I'm tired.
I won't. I do go. Otongwa. Nebiano, okay, I make way for. Oh, please.
Mama, I want to go home.
Now, hey.
Mama, where are you people going carrying this heavy load under the sun?
My son, don't worry, we are used to it.
Good afternoon, sir.
Hey, my dear, how are you?
Fine.
Mama, are you people still going far?
Yes, so it's not too far. Our house is close now.
Okay. Okay, come here, let me drop you.
You want to drop us? Hey, Chikube.
Hold on.
Hey.
Thank you. Mama, come this way.
Hey. No. Thank you. Hey. No. Thank you. Hey.
I bring that one here.
New Abamoto. Are you going to start? Okay. Hey.
No.
Keep it. Hey, thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
It's okay. Hey, what's your name?
Chekube.
Chekube. Oh, nice name. Why are you not in school by this time of the day? Why are others in school?
Uncle,
it's a long story. She will start school soon.
Okay. Okay, no problem. Mama, I have a request to make. I don't know if it will be granted. I want to ask you to allow Chukube to stay with me, to live with me in the city.
To stay with you? Take her with you?
Yeah,
No.
Everything about her school, I will take care of it. Yes.
Where are you from?
Oh, I'm from Umogu.
Umogu. So, what did you come to do here in Ajali?
Mama, I'm a building contractor. I have some houses to build in this town.
Okay. You have to go. You have to go and come back next time so that I will talk with her. I will talk with my daughter.
Okay, it's okay. It's okay. I'm still in town. I have some things to do in town.
Okay.
I'll take my leave now.
Thank you. You're a good person, eh?
Bye-bye.
Yeah, she's always a good girl. Hey, now come. I didn't find you, Cola, beg.
It's okay.
It's
okay. Next time.
Hey,
when I come tomorrow.
Hey, I forgot to give him Cola. Okay, let's go inside. My daughter, you remember that man that brought us back from the family city? He was here this afternoon. He said he wants to know what our decision is. Now, he came when we went to the street. You remember what he said, that he wanted to live with him and his wife? Yeah? So my daughter, what do you think?
Ma, you don't even need to ask me. Because you know definitely I will say no.
Why?
But do you know that man before? Do you know what he's like? Do you know how he behaves? And you want me to go and stay with a stranger? No, I cannot. My brother is still in the city. Besides, if I go, who will help you? Who will stay here with you?
My daughter, you have spoken very well. Now listen. I don't know that man before, but my spirit tells me that that man is a good man. Yes. You heard what he said, that he will train you in the school. You know what we are passing through in this house? You've been in the house for some weeks now because of school fees. I will want you to go. Don't bother about me. I will be very, very fine. Oh?
Will that make you happy?
Very, very happy. Very, very happy. Thank you. Smile now. It's like you're still frowning, please. Thank you. Once again, you are welcome.
Thank you.
Yeah, I've discussed with my daughter and she has accepted to go with you. Please, I want you and your wife to take good care of her. She's my handbag. If not for what you told me about your wife, I wouldn't have allowed it to. I didn't make you. So please, my regards to your wife. Tell her that one day, Mama Chekube to come and know who she is. Meanwhile, I will tell my son that Chekube has gone to stay with you.
It's okay. It's okay. I will tell my wife what you said.
All right.
And I promise you that your daughter Chekube will enjoy staying with us.
Yeah. That is what I'm praying for. Hey, Chekube, my dear, remember what I told you. Just remain the good girl that you've always been.
There's no time.
Okay, let's go and get your bag. We are coming, One thing to you.
Chekube, like I said, you're welcome once again in our home.
Thank you.
Remember to do all I've told you, like sweeping the compound, washing, doing clean, in fact everything. And please don't allow my wife to do anything in this house because of her condition. Do you hear me?
Okay, I'll do as you've said. But what if she wants to do something and I refuse?
You refuse to.
Then if she insists?
So honey, you now have someone to help you. Yes. I don't want to hear any stories. Please, take care of my baby for me. You can take her to her room.
Go to our banye parlor now. The woman, I can't hear. Just room on the right, eh? Enter is your room.
Chekube! Be fast, I'll be late for work, please. What are you doing inside?
I was busy.
See, whenever it's 7 a.m., leave whatever you're doing, eh? Till you come back and start from where it stops. Do you understand?
Okay.
Let's go. Honey, we are off.
Bye-bye.
Chekube! 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 Check these books if they're complete.
They are complete.
Okay.
Where's
your auntie?
She's inside.
Okay.
What is going on here?
Honey?
Look, I'll come back in my books.
Okay.
Chekube, you take them inside and be very careful with those books. They're very expensive.
Okay, I will.
What is it? Why is your face like this?
Why did you buy those books for her? Those very expensive books. Why?
Because she needs them to study well in school.
And so, you now decided to buy all the books they wrote?
It's an order from the school. Why are you asking all these questions? Are you not happy I bought the books?
If you buy those expensive books for her, someone you don't know, what will you now spend on your own children? Paul?
See, let me tell you something. As long as this girl is under my care, I'll treat her like my child. Even though I am not the father. Yes.
Because she's under your roof, eh? Because she's under your roof, you want to spend all the money you've saved up all your life on her. Okay. Zanom, no?
I mean, what has come over you? What has really come over you? This girl has been doing a lot of housework in this house. Yeah? This girl does a lot of things in this house. The ones she's supposed to do, the ones she's not supposed to do, and you don't appreciate it. Just common book that I bought for her. You're ranting. Please, I don't want this girl to know that you're angry because I bought her books. Because she might decide to leave and go back to her mother. I know what that means.
Me, Linda, ranting. Okay? I'm ranting because I'm protecting my territory. I'm ranting because she's under your roof. You decided to spend all that money on the books. Tomorrow now, you decide to buy her computer. From computer, you will enter motor. From motor, you will build her house because she's under your roof. And I mean, you know. Don't let me start talking in this house.
Auntie, auntie, obi talanti mili. Auntie, 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 bara wicked. Obi poro yanko, owelu kosieme. Ogo puno punoka, kosieme go charema. Auntie, auntie, obi talanti mili. Auntie, 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 bara wicked. Obi poro yanko, owelu kosieme, ogo puno punoka, kosieme go charema. Auntie, auntie, obi talanti mili. Omeginka ibe, okogeba itie. Auntie charema, izubike auntie webiwe. Ine bakwa obi adiyama ifine monyaza emegi oga adegema ifine monyaza emegi oga adegema Auntie, auntie, obi talanti mili. Auntie, 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 para wicked. Obi poro yanko, owelu kosieme. Ogo puno punoka, kosieme go charema.
Chekube!
Auntie.
Have you filled the jerry cans with water?
Yes, Auntie.
What about the dirty clothes I gave you to wash?
No, but I'll wash them immediately after I finish sweeping.
Yeah, hurry up and finish. Huh? Come and get my food ready. I'm hungry.
Auntie, auntie, obi talanti mili. Auntie, 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 para wicked. Obi poro yanko, owelu kosieme. Ogo puno punoka, kosieme go charema. Auntie, auntie, obi talanti mili.
Chekube, where is the food now?
Auntie, I'm coming. I'm almost done.
I don't want to meet you there.
coming.
Hey, so you will give me food without water in this house?
Auntie, the water is on top of the table.
Oh, so I should use my hand and come and carry it up, yeah? Okay, okay. Continue.
Hey! Yeah? What is that thing you want to do? What is that? What are you about to do?
I want to eat.
You want to eat? You want to eat? You're even answering me. Borrow spoon also. Get that spoon. Eat by what time of the day? Kanji Kanegi. What is the time?
I don't know, but maybe it's 11 a.m.
After 11, you want to eat without finishing with the clothes I gave to you to wash.
I'll wash them after eating.
You will wash it after you finish eating. That was what you told me when I came to meet you outside when you were sweeping. After, we'll do this one. After, we'll do this one. So, after. I should wait for you after sleeping now. You go and wash the clothes up here. Get up and go and wash those clothes before I descend on you. Yeah, and before I open my eyes, is she still there?
Auntie, please, let me eat. I've been working since morning and I'm very hungry. Let me just eat so that I can have strength to continue.
Nah, it is now question and answer. Call and answer. Apo, aza. Guam, guam, guam now. It's now guam, guam, guamism. Is it? Is it? Before I do to you what you will not like, go and wash those clothes. This food will not grow legs and live here. It will wait for you. Did you hear me? Get out! Shut up, boy, son. I don't blame you. It's the hand that my husband has given to you now. He has given you hand. Next thing that hand will enter waist. From waist it will enter God knows where. It be in the money. I know, man. Hey! If you call rice and walk, what you need to do? As on your now, cement. In a booty pass cement. Hey! I'm not going to rice na galaziano. I didn't even see the meat. You gave yourself. Hang on for long. Hang on. You walk out where back. What is this? What are you doing? Eh? Are you sleeping?
No, Auntie.
What are you doing? Would you hurry up and wash these clothes? There are other things to be done in the house. Open your legs. Open your legs and wash those clothes. Can you hear me? What you say? Do you think you came here to work? You know plantain. I don't know what you're trying. Don't try me or else you will see another side of me.
Hey, all these things for me? Yes. Hey, Nna, thank you very much.
Okay.
My God will bless you. Hey,
Hey! Never no more. Hey! Henna! Hey! How is your wife and Chekube, my daughter?
Oh, my wife is fine. And Chekube, your daughter, is doing good.
Hey! Thank God. Thank God.
Good.
Thank God.
Hey! I came to say thank you for allowing your daughter to stay with me. She's so industrious. She's just a wonderful girl. I thank you very much. I should be the one thanking you.
She's supposed to be very industrious. I am the one that trained her. Oh, make a near carbono. Hey, hey, thank you.
Okay, Mama. I have to start going because I have to rush to somewhere else.
You are going on. I have apple and ofora, very delicious. Copy. And apple maca with tea.
When yes, I come, I'll take it.
Hey. Again, I went next again. Okay, now if you say so.
The same yabo.
Okay, now I will do that. Okay.
Okay, let me start going.
Then hey. Oh, Nadalu. I must give you a back here on Joro. Hey! I'm going to do me. Can't dinner. Hey! Can't see now, oh, wow. Hey! Oh, wow. I can't see a one much. I'm glad to ask for no my hey! Oh, come on,
I've seen your laughter. She shows that you are nice.
Really? Hey, thank God. Thank you. Thank God. Thank God.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
I hope you remember what I told you.
Yes, I remember.
Rest. You need it so much.
Thank you. I remember. Thank you very much.
It's okay. I wish you all the best.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
One more thing. Don't forget your checkup. So there will be no mistakes.
I will not. Thank you very much, sir.
Alright. Please, my regards to your husband.
You will hear. Thank you.
Take care of yourself.
Honey, now that you're pregnant again, I want you to be very careful. You know what the doctor said. Yeah? So please, very, very careful. Whatever it is that is work in this house, the place there for me. Wait for me. Wait for me.
I will not do anything now. I will do as the doctor has said. Okay? The only problem is that you will tell Chekube. I know she knows how to walk and do a lot of things. Tell her to give me my food when it is time for me to eat, not late. You know I don't like to eat late.
It's okay, I'll talk to her. It's okay, I'll talk to her. Okay? Instead of you not to do what the doctor said, I want you to sleep from morning till night. Just like Robola.
Yeah, Edin, I should be sleeping.
See, whatever you want, if you're hungry, just tell Chekube to cook for you. Or Ali kitchen.
No, cook. Chekube will cook. You know that.
So you listen, you lick your lips and your fingers and you're telling me that it's okay, just remember what I said, what the doctor said, okay? Just be very careful. Woman is very important, okay? Just drink up.
Oh.
I don't want to play with it. But careful. Woman is very important. Yeah? It's okay.
That is a one more time.
Hi, honey. You're here. Let me freshen up.
Let it not be what I'm thinking. Yeah, let it not be what I'm thinking. So, my husband will close from work. Instead of him to come home to his wife, he will wait to go and pick her from school. Yeah, the girl will be waiting after school instead of her to trek and be coming home to come and clean house. My husband will wait, tell her to wait. Okay.
So, honey, what are you preparing?
I'm picking melon seeds. I didn't ask you to help me.
Why are you squeezing face?
I didn't ask you to help me.
But I know. What is the problem? Keep your Maggie.
Ask you, did I tell you that there's something wrong with you?
Honey, please get me my key. It's on top of the drawer beside the bed. Have you found the key?
Well, I've not found it though. When did you say you even kept this key safe? Eh? Everywhere, you know. Don't worry about the
It's under the pillow.
Everywhere.
So I normally keep this key inside the
See, why don't you tell Chekube to use leg and be going now, so that she does not miss classes, eh? Let her be going. Later she will come back. He can't more down trust this key. You know when you are looking for something, hurry, you won't find it, eh? You. Madam, on the front seat. I'm still searching for it, oh.
Chube, I cannot find the key. So take this money for your transport. Rush so you won't be late for school. Okay? We'll go to late. Go late for school. Bye. Okay, bye. Take care.
key you're looking for? This is the key now.
Where did you find it?
Under the bed. No, Bulakwa.
Under the bed?
I don't know how.
And who kept it there?
How would I know? Are you sure you are not the one that kicked it by mistake under the bed? I just said, let me just, raise the bed.
Okay.
I just saw it there. Hey, hurry up and go so you don't miss your appointment, so. Bye-bye, yo. Go take we buafia.
Auntie, where are we headed? Obi poro yanko, owelo kosieme, ogo punuka, kosieme go charema. Auntie, obi talanti mili. Auntie, where are we headed? Obi poro yanko, owelo kosieme, ogo punuka.
Shekube, what is wrong with you? I don't like your look. You look so dull and worried.
Yes, even yesterday, I noticed the same thing. Shekube, please talk to us. We are your friends.
Listen, Kiki also don't understand. I'm tired of staying in my uncle's house. The man is so nice to me. He's a good man. But the wife? She's wicked. She just hates me for no reason. Anytime my uncle travels, things get worse. I work from morning till night. At times, I don't even eat, or rather, I eat just once a day. It's unbearable.
Then, what are you still doing there? Why don't you go back to your parents, instead of that woman using you as a slave?
My education. I just want to finish my education. Besides, if I go back, my mother cannot afford to pay my school fees. So, let me just finish my education and I'll know I achieved something from them.
Rose, Shekube is right. She has a point.
That is nonsense. What if that woman kills her before she could finish her education?
Rose, it has not gotten to that extent now.
Okay, but do not say I didn't warn you. Shekube, you better go back to your parents to save your dear life. Said my own.
Please, I'm leaving. You know I have a long way to trek.
Trek? Won't you enter a bike or bus?
You know my uncle is not around. And his wife has refused to give me transport fare. Don't worry, I'm fine.
You see? You see what I meant? Do you know how far she would trek before she could get home? Nonsense. Please, let's go to the bus stop, Jerry.
Hurry up and pound now. Not even plucked vegetables. So give me that crayfish, Diopolo, not that type. Buy this Oporo. Only paste and chap. It's only the head that is here. No fish. Hurry up on the pounding. The pounding like your strength now. You need the other crayfish. This one doesn't have paste. I understand the kind of market you want to buy this. So when you went to buy this, you didn't see orange crayfish? This is sand. Ew.
Swony for is a pound now. Is it not pepper? Moses onion dry fish smoking. Give it to me. Now was set up. Hey! Are we looking for living in age? Seen me. Oh yeah, pack those things or so. Nah, dog of one age seen me. Borat. Nothing that you bought has taste. Eh? Yeah.
I'm tired. Let me start tracking home.
Again today? Wait, let's enter bus together now.
Just say you want to insult me. You know I don't have transport fare.
Wait, Rose, please help her out. I know you have extra money with you. Remember, she's our friend. And we know what she's passing through.
Yeah. Oh, the one Marabikon. I don't have money. Even if I do, I will not give. Didn't I want her to go back to her parents? Rather, she prefers staying there. Since she prefers suffering, let her carry her cross then. What is my own there? Yeah. Oh.
Don't worry, I'm fine.
I hope you like those clothes I bought for you.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Have you tested them?
There's one there. That one is short. It's here. If I wear that clothes, I'll be using it to do yanga.
Did I got any short clothes for you?
Yes, nah. One black and white.
Okay, show me how the yanga you look like. Show me.
Do yanga like this.
Chukube, you're very funny. You're very, very funny. I did not bought those clothes for you I bought those clothes for you for special occasions, like going to church, or if we want to go out, we use it. Okay?
Thank you, Uncle.
Show me once more. Show me the movement again. Chekubi, Imam Budim. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. You can go, eh? You can go, eh?
Good night.
Good night. Good night, bye.
What is the meaning of that thing you just did? What is the meaning?
What did I do?
You're asking me what you did. The clothes you bought for Chekube, do you know how much those clothes cost?
That's your problem. The clothes I bought for Chekube. Of course I bought them, so I know how much they cost. And let me ask you a question. The amount of work that girl is doing in this house, do you know how much you're supposed to be paying her? Or do you pay her anything? When then, don't you pay her school fees? Do you not buy books for her? Don't you feed her? Do you not house her? What else does she want? Is it not enough? Is it until you buy a car for her that you will know that you are doing something? Or you will show that you are appreciative of the work she does in the house? Look, let me tell you. I'm looking at you people's work out. I'm looking at it. Look at it. Look at it.
if you want to bring her in as a second wife, tell me. Or you want her to replace me, just tell me. So that I stop making a fool of myself. You look here.
Do you know that sometimes I begin to think that something is wrong with you? Is it because I bought few clothes for Chekube, that's why you're ranting? Is it because I bought few clothes for Chekube, that's why you're ranting, making noise, shouting?
Me making noise, shouting, ranting, up here? Does she not have clothes? Did she come into this house naked? Canopy, where better? Canopy,
Let me tell you something. Whatever a father will do for her daughter, I will do it for that girl, Chekube, because she's somebody's daughter. So you better put that in your head. Instead of you to pray to God to give your own child, your hair, ranting, making noise. Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Oh.
Are you not ashamed of yourself?
Instead of me praying to God, Abi, it's now only me. It's now my problem. I'm the one that's the problem now, Abi. No problem. No problem, oh, I will pray. This is your waka. It's Chekube. I'm looking at it very well, oh. I heard you people laughing jackassly in the living room. Laughing jackassly. When was the last time you laughed with me?
Oh, that was the problem. You want me to laugh for you? Okay. Now, let me laugh for you.
Please, Chekube, please. You must stop. Please, help! Hey, Opa, it's a dream.
Hey, what is it?
Hey, Chekube was chasing me with a knife to kill me in the dream. Hey.
Sorry, you said who was possible?
Chekube wanted to kill me. The girl wants to kill me. She wants to kill me. Chekube wants to kill me, oh. Hey.
See. It's just a dream. Okay? Chekube is not like a person. No. It's because you already seen her as a bad person. That's why you're dreaming of her trying to hurt you. Yes, she's not a bad person.
You are telling me that I don't know what I'm saying. That I'm lying. No. That girl is evil.
It's just a dream. Right now,
You can't stay alone. Hold me. Sleep now. I'm okay. Sleep. Chekube!
Where are the clothes my husband bought for you?
Okay, my room.
In your room. I'm bringing them. Only you. Eh? Oh, my trousers. Haha. It's okay. No problem. You know why I'm holding it for you? So that I will give it to you when you need to wear it out. Oh? I don't want you to misuse them or just, waste them. You know they are very expensive. Plus gown. Okay. Don't worry. There's no problem. Let me keep them for you, oh? And I want to go and buy the things I need to cook my soup with from the market.
Uncle said I shouldn't let you go to the market or do any other thing. Else he will kill me. Please, just stay. Oh?
As a policeman now, my security. So my dear, wow, you see this clothes, eh?
Yeah.
My husband bought it from his friend that went to Onitsha to buy clothes.
Are you serious?
I'm telling you.
Wow.
They're so beautiful, eh?
They are. Wow.
So I brought them to her because I know your daughter needs clothes. So since I don't have
I like that one. It's so beautiful.
I have taste. I know the kind of things you like.
I know. Thank you so much. They're fine. So how much is it?
If you can give me something like 14,000.
14,000? No, that is too much.
You know what I do? I don't have handwork.
I know.
I don't sell clothes.
I know.
These things I bought for 16,000. I'm giving you for 14. You're still complaining.
So you bought them 16 and you want to sell them to me as a friend for 14. It's alright. I love them. I really love them. I like them. Maybe I should just pack them.
Just pack them. You don't go waste time.
I love them. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes. Thank you.
How are you? Come and take these things inside. Take them inside and call your auntie for me.
Uncle, Auntie's not around.
Where did she go to?
She went to the market.
The market? And you allowed her to go to the market?
No, Uncle.
On that condition?
I tried stopping her, but she refused.
What is this? You wouldn't have allowed her.
I'm sorry.
Wait, Please. Yes, hello? Yes, this is Paulo Kadike. What? My wife? Wait. Which hospital? Which hospital? Eh?
Uncle, what is it? Uncle?
Understand the kind of human being you people are. I can't just understand it. Just simple instruction you people cannot keep. I told you your wife should stay away from stress. I told you. What was she doing under the sun that made her temperature to go high? What was she doing?
I don't know. I want her. And I got her a housemaid. So I'm confused. I don't know. Anyway, how is she now?
Your wife lost the baby. She had another miscarriage. And that is what you get when you don't listen to simple instruction. Just simple instruction, stay away from stress. And I can see you people are enjoying what you're passing through. You're enjoying it. Because if you're not enjoying it, you keep to this simple instruction. And what is that instruction? Keep away from stress.
Linda, let me ask you a question. What is your mission in this house? What is your mission? Are you here to ruin me or to save me? Or to kill me? What is your mission? Tell me. You know what we're passing through in this house. Meanwhile, you cannot obey to the simple instruction given by the doctor. What is your problem?
I'm sorry.
You're sorry? Yes, shut up. Don't sorry me. Chukwu said you went to the market to buy the things for the soup. Where are the things you bought? Where are the things you bought? According to you, the incident happened on your way back home. So where are the things you bought?
Maybe those people that took me to the hospital took those things.
Shut up, my friend. Nobody took anything from you. Why didn't you allow Chukwu to go to the market? Why didn't you allow her to buy whatever you want to buy? You went to buy in the market. She said she wants to go to the market, but you refuse her going to the market.
So it's Chekube you are now listening to in this house. You will not listen to your wife, what she's saying, what I've been through. Is Chekube you will listen to.
Friend,
it's Chekube that is gossiping with my...
Just shut up. I know what to do.
Hey. So it's me Chekube is using to gossip to my husband. She will see. Can you put a mother to have laughing on a choking bob, but now aquas then with his nod?
Please, my in-law, please, I beg, call your daughter and talk to her. Because if she allow this thing to happen again, I'll be forced to take another wife.
Nah, my in-law, please. Butu. Oh, nah, Butu. It has not gotten to that. We will call her and talk to her.
It has gotten to that extent. Yes, because this is 14 years of marriage. But I am still, I've not hung Butu yet. I'm still talking about kicking the ball.
Ogo, Biko, calm down. Calm down. There is something I want to find out. You said you got a house help for her who will do all the household chores and then help in the house. Yet my daughter went against the doctor's warning.
That is what I'm talking about. Exactly what I am saying.
Biko, like I said, please calm down. We will send for her and then find out what her problems are. Biko,
I'll be on my way now. Thank you.
Okay.
You're gossiping with my knee. You're gossiping with my knee. In the house, you open this your mouth. This one. So you had the guts to tell my husband as I went out that you told me to stay in the house. Oh, I'm now your mate now. I did not say anything like that. You didn't say that. You've eaten the baby in my womb now. I'm also you're still here. No.
My daughter, your husband was here yesterday and he complained bitterly.
Yeah, Linda, what is wrong with you? Eh? What is wrong with you? Simple instruction you cannot take. Your husband was here and he complained bitterly. He even threatened that he's going to take a second wife if you don't change. You see? So I can never talk on this again. I will never. Now listen to me. If he decides to take a second wife, I will support him. He has tried. Oh yes, he has tried. He's not getting younger.
Yeah, he's gang up now.
When a gangs go up.
Papa, you and you want to gang up and bring another wife into my husband's house?
No, Linda, they are look. You are just listening to simple instructions. Nobody is banging up against you. Linda, good wife to your husband. Look at your daughter. You're a good wife. Look at your daughter. What do you mind? Anything the man likes, let him do. Enough is enough.
I'm confused. I am very confused. I don't know what is going on again. I have done everything the doctor instructed me to do. He said I should rest. I'm tired of resting. I've done everything. I have had more than enough rest. Where is this one coming from again? I'm tired. I'm really tired. I don't know what else to do. I'm confused. I'm too confused.
Honestly, I don't know what to do. I am confused too. I think this is spiritual.
Spiritual?
And we have to do something fast.
How? Okay, something like what, one?
I'm seriously tired. I'm tired.
I told you, you thought I was lying. Now you have heard it from the native doctor that Chekube is the problem I have in that house.
No, I don't believe that native doctor. I don't. How can he say that Chekube is the cause of all this problem we've been having all these years? Chekube that I used to stay with.
Hey!
No, it's not possible. How can you say that? I don't believe that.
I'm looking at you.
Yeah? Yes.
Are you sure you're not the problem? I am telling you that somebody is the cause of my problems in that house. They are defending the person.
That is not. I'm sorry, honey.
Hey, you're calling me Chekube?
No,
you see? You see it now?
It's a slip of tongue.
Slip of tongue.
You should know that.
Okay. I've now turned to Chekube.
Mind you, it's a slip of tongue. The native doctor said we should do some sacrifice. Let's do it first. You understand?
We will do the sacrifices. We will do all of them.
Let's do it first. Let's do it first.
We are not going to leave anyone. I've told you, let us go. We'll do all the sacrifice from head to toe.
Auntie, where are we kidding? Obi poro yanko, owelu kosieme, ogo punuka, kosieme go charema. Auntie, obi talanti mili. Auntie, where are we kidding? Obi poro yanko, owelu kosieme, ogo punuka.
Honey? Why are you looking at Chukube like that?
Are you seeing what I'm seeing in this game? Look well.
What are you seeing?
Each time I look at this girl, I'll be seeing winch.
What are you trying to insinuate?
It's true. Be true. Now
Don't start. We've done what the native doctor said we should do. So let's sit and watch and see. After all, I don't believe in what he said about this innocent girl. I don't believe it. I did that sacrifice just to make you believe I'm not a problem.
Please. You don't listen when someone is telling you something until that thing backfires now. You'll not say they told you. I'm telling you something now you're talking about it. Just doing. When this girl is a white witch. Look at that very well.
And when did you become a prophetess? You would have seen that before the native doctor. When I froze up, they are funny before a native doctor.
Okay.
Auntie, mara wicked. Obi bolo yanku. Owelu kosieme. Ogobu no kunoka. Kosieme gyo charema. Auntie, obi talanti mili. Auntie, mara wicked. Obi bolo yanku. Owelu kosieme.
Chekube! That stupid girl will not answer. The stupid girl will not open her mouth to answer. Chekube!
Please, I don't like this. Ma? You'll be calling the village human being stupid.
Is it now that I called you? Did I just call you now, or you didn't hear my voice before now?
I was washing those plates.
You wash it below again.
It's okay. Bring the seat and sit down. I want to ask you something. Honey, I was the one that asked her to sit down.
And I was the one that took the seat. Let her stand up.
It's okay. Chukube, ever before I met you and your mother coming back from farm that day, do you know me and my wife, or have you seen us before, or have you seen us somewhere discuss anything with us, or somehow, somewhere, anyhow, have you seen us somehow?
No, Uncle. I only met you the day you offered her and my mother a lift. And until I came to this house, I've never seen her before.
Huh? Asyo.
Are you
Lie.
Are you sure?
That is how they start. Lies! All these things you say, all of them are lies. You are a liar. You are lying. If you are not lying, or if you are telling the truth, how come you are the sole problem I have in this house? You are killing me, eating all my children. Are you not a witch?
Me? A witch? Auntie, you called me a witch.
Hey! Oh, so it is now call and answer. Is that it? Question and answer. You're asking me. What are you? Are you not a witch? Are you not a white witch?
Stop it.
The first thing these people do is to deny their witches. All these witches.
Stop it and stop calling her a witch. Why are you calling her a witch?
She's a witch, oh! She's the cause of my problems in this house. She's stopping my children.
Please stop it. I don't like it. Yeah? Chokwe, it's okay. Please stop crying. Oh, stop crying. Just go inside. Stop crying.
I don't like what you are using. I don't like it. You choose your own struggle. What is that?
Stop it. I don't like it. Stop it.
Okay, Pateta.
Please.
Bring again. Pateta.
Stop it.
Hey, Makatekume kije huma kanono. Mom, ask a complete Pateta leno. Bring again.
Linda, you are very, very funny. Very funny. I mean, how can you accuse a girl who barely got into your house for being responsible of the problems that you have been going through, even long before she came? First you said she had something to do with your husband, and then you said she's responsible for your miscarriages and the death of your babies. Why? Why do you hate this girl? Just because the native doctor said so, is that it?
I don't understand you again. I'm telling you something that is disturbing your friend, me. You are there telling me that I'm not serious.
Oh my God, that's not what I'm saying. I'm only saying you're not making any sense at all. You're not. Yes.
Problem is my own.
I didn't say that.
Problem is my own. It's my fault for coming to come and tell you what is disturbing me.
No, Linda.
Problem is my own, okay?
I didn't say
Leave
that.
it. Thank you.
Linda, no.
Bye bye.
Don't do
I'm
that.
going. It's
Well,
okay.
It's
Thank
all right.
you.
But the next time you want to come here, make sure it's something very reasonable. Not something like this.
Hey. That same kind of dream. This time she was chasing me with machete. Moge. She wants to kill me. Hey, please, let's do something before this girl kills me in this house.
I've told you to stop thinking of Chikwu. The earlier you stop thinking of this girl, better for you. The earlier you stop thinking of this girl, better for you.
Wow. I can't do. I won't sit here and wait for her to kill me before you start to do something. Wow. Hey.
Okay. It's just a bad dream. Okay? Let's go back to sleep.
I don't want to sleep. Thank you. I'll stay here like this.
I want to sleep again.
So you want to sleep like that? I'm telling you somebody wants to kill me, you want to sleep. It's sleep that is hungering you. Okay.
It's okay. It's just a bad dream.
Don't touch my son.
What is your problem? I've told you to stop thinking about this girl.
Now, Laro, I am Kija, Laro. Sleep your own.
You like looking. What's your problem?
That's how you keep quiet. Someone now come and kill me in this house and take my place. If this guy kills me in this house, I will kill you. Where are you going?
Auntie, I'm hungry. I want to take soup.
Witch! So because you couldn't kill me in my dreams, you now want to come and poison me. See, let today be the first and last time I see you near my pot or anywhere around my kitchen. I'm Muswacha, killer. That's how. Okay. Yeah, can I where are you?
Auntie, bara wicked. Obi bolo yanku. Owelu kosieme. Ogobu no kunoka. Kosieme gyo charema. Auntie, obi talanti mili. Auntie, bara wicked. Obi bolo yanku. Owelu kosieme.
Chikube, why are you crying? What is it?
Uncle, welcome.
Thank you. Why are you crying?
Uncle, I'm tired of staying here. Please take me back to my mother.
Why?
Auntie called me a witch. She said I should not eat her food again in the house. Uncle, please, just take me back, I beg you.
Auntie called you a witch. He said all that to you? It's okay, my dear. It's okay, huh? I want you to stop crying. You are not a witch. I said you are not a witch. Or are you a witch?
No, no.
It's okay. Come here. It's okay. Stop crying. Now, where is your auntie?
She's inside.
Okay, let me see her. You come inside with your bag. Come in with your bag.
Come here, come here. What did I tell you? I sent you to buy pepper 10 minutes ago. 10 minutes. Came with 10 minutes. You are just coming back. Hey! So, what you want to do is to sample all the men in this village. You sample Chava, Ibutelema Fime. You now come back with pregnancy. For who? Mwa. In this house.
Auntie, you know that's not true. Huh? When you sent me to get pepper, they did not have pepper. So I had to go to the village square to get it.
Liar. Liar. Listen to yourself. Can you even hear yourself? I sent you to buy pepper. Yeah, Mama Nkechi nwezi oso. Mama Nkechi that sells pepper does not have pepper again. I sent you to buy pepper from Mama Nkechi. She didn't have pepper. You now went to the village square. To Lagos. See, lying from your ear and your nose, you're everywhere. Jimmy. Give me that. Yeah. Give me that one. Be looking at the sun. Let the sun be looking at you. Did I touch you? Hey! Did I touch you? Did I touch you? I said lie down. 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 After sampling for them, you will sample for me today. Open your eyes. Watch it again. I said open your eyes. That's how you do your meeting in the night, up here. Open your eyes. Winch. It's not actually an Iyanonaka way, maybe.
Please help me. Help me, I'm dying. Please, Auntie.
Oh. You can only be a quote. Help you. You don't want to die. You will die, yo. You will die. Bible, suffer not the witch to live. Is that not what I'm doing? Is that not what I'm doing? Ngwa, Chedanya Nenu.
Auntie, please help me.
Chedanya Nenu.
Auntie, please, I'm dying.
Eyes in the sky, let the sun be looking at you and you looking at the sun. I say so, that witch inside of it. It's going to come out of this your body. This your body. Oh, you see, did I touch you? Did I touch you?
Auntie, help me, please.
I said, stop calling me. Stop calling me. Shh, shut up, shut up. Shut up, boys. Hey, I don't want to hear that. I didn't touch you. I didn't touch you. Ha.
Please help me.
Holy Ghost fire, pursue them. Holy Ghost fire, pursue them. Holy Ghost fire, pursue them. Pursue them.
Auntie.
Please
help me. Please, I'm dying. Please help me.
Die! Die! Every witch in form of a human being in our church, ye black, die by fire, by fire, by fire, die, die. No sweater. See, let it not be that I'm wicked, though. So that they will not say that Linda, I'm wicked, no for job. Get up from there and go and wash plates. Now, go to the backyard and go and wash those plates. Go to the backyard and go and wash those plates. Say Akunye. Okaneva. One, two, at the count of 10, 3. No,
Auntie, I cannot see.
Agwelongia. 4.
I cannot see anything.
5.
I cannot see. I cannot see again.
Okay, okay. What's not going?
Auntie, honestly, I cannot see. Auntie, I cannot see. I'm blind.
You cannot go.
Auntie, honestly, I cannot see.
You're not showing you now.
I cannot see anything, Auntie.
Get up there. 1, 2.
Help! I'm blind. Auntie, I'm blind. I'm blind. Auntie, I'm blind. Auntie, I cannot see anything. Oh God, I'm finished. I'm finished. What will happen to my poor mother? Please, God, don't do this to me. Auntie, help me again. Please, Auntie, help me. I'm blind.
You mean you cannot see anything?
I cannot see. I cannot.
Hey!
I cannot see, Auntie. Please help me. Help me. Help me, Auntie.
Linda Kiyago.
Auntie. Auntie! Auntie, please help me. I cannot see anything. Auntie, help me. Auntie, where are you? Auntie! Oh, my eyes. My eyes, I'm blind. I'm blind. Auntie, help me. I'm blind.
Can you hear it? And I know there. You even the river. Touch it. You know what this thing is? Can you feel it?
A knife.
Hey, sharp girl. If you open your mouth, yeah, if my husband go, gal, when he comes back and you open your mouth to tell him what happened today, I will kill you. I will stab you. I will kill you the way people kill cockerel, chicken for Christmas. Christmas chicken, I will cut your neck. Yeah, yes. You know you are not seeing anything now. Can you see anything? You can't see anything. You won't know when I'll be standing around you.
So if you open your mouth to say anything, I'll kill you. What will you do? You will shut your mouth. A man tap, a man bob, and you help. You could Hannah otherwise. So get it there in your T-score. Can you hear it? Zam, zam. Inania, zam, zam, zam.
How I wish you were here to see this unfairness that had been melted upon me.
Calm down. Back and calm down. Little way.
What is it?
Hey! The sacrifice has started working. It has started working. Hey!
What happened?
That sacrifice has started working. Oh.
What happened? What is it?
Your Chekube is a witch. She is blind. Don't bugis. What bugis? Hey! So you now know that she has been the cause of our problems in this house.
Where is she? Where is she?
In Ajun, where is she? Where is she? Where else will she be if not backyard there? Witch!
What is wrong with you? Uncle. What is the problem? It's what? What's wrong with you? Talk to me. What's wrong with you?
I don't know.
You don't know what is wrong with you? Meaning that you just got banned just like that? Eh?
Hey!
Chokumi, can you see me? You can't see me. Hey! What is this? What will I tell her mother?
How do you mean? How do you mean? You will tell her that her daughter is blind because she's a witch.
Hey, shut up! Shut up! Shut up! You! Shut up!
Hey, no, shut up. Okay.
You can't see me. Eh? Hey!
Now what? I don't know. I'm going to open my mouth and say I would have killed you this evening. I swear. Hey! You forgot your khaki,
Chikube, why are you sweeping the compound?
Auntie told me to sweep it.
Auntie asked you to sweep the compound? Linda! Linda! Linda!
Yes, it. What is it?
Why must you ask her to sweep the compound?
What is wrong with her sweeping the compound?
Everything is wrong with her sweeping the compound. Can't you see she's sick? Can't you see she's blind? So how do you expect her to see what she's doing?
Is it not the compound that she sweeps every day? She should know her way around now, sweep the compound. No, this blind does not mean she cannot sense something or hear something.
Don't you ever try it again. Do it yourself.
Me?
Do it yourself.
I should sweep the compound myself. So, what is Chekube here for now? Or decoration Kobo? What is she here for? Is she not here to work? See, let me tell you, if you are tired of all these things, just bundle her, take her back to her mother. Simple. Okay, I see.
Thank you, Jesus. Thank you, my Lord. Whatever I am now, it is by your grace. Many are dying, many are perishing. Whatever I am now, it is by your grace. Hey, who is there?
Where's me? How are you? It's time to take your drugs. I want you to tell me the truth, because I believe you will tell me the truth. Since you were born till this age, do you know anything about witch? Or being a witch yourself? Or know anybody that knows anything about witch? Or have anything to do with witchcraft? Or have you ever seen them with your two naked eyes?
Witch?
Or seen them with your two naked eyes?
I'm not a witch. I'm not a witch. I don't even know how they look like. I don't know anything about them. Ever since I was born.
It's okay. It's okay. I believe you. I believe you. When you're all done, you will go inside and sleep. Have some rest. You'll be fine soon. God is in control.
trouble. Ha!
Auntie, where are you? Auntie! Auntie! Auntie, your water. Auntie!
Now, so somebody cannot send you on a small errand. Give me a mete of woman. Witch. Amos.
Witch? Auntie, you and I know that you're the one that kept me in this current situation. I'm not a witch.
Hey! English, yo. English, yo. You are speaking English for me, so you don't know you're a witch. Are you not a witch? You fly in the morning, fly in the afternoon, fly in the night. All the other witches that you people go for meeting in the Kofu, don't they tell you the time they fly? You choose to fly 24 hours in an aeroplane. That's how you be carrying machete and knife to chase me in the dream. Imansuike, Ikona Woge, Amoso. And then I can't take current situation.
Auntie. Please help me with my stick. Auntie, please, my stick.
I am straight. Just be coming straight. Be coming. As you're coming, can you see me now? No, towards your right. Towards your right. Can you see anything?
I cannot see anything.
You mean you cannot see me at all? My God. What is this? Does it mean that all these drugs you've been taking is not working? Yeah? Okay, my dear. It's okay. It's okay. Don't worry. Very soon, you will be fine. Okay?
Are you sure? Are you sure that I will see you again?
Of course, I'm sure. Very, very sure. Don't you trust in God?
I do.
Then you'll be fine very soon. It's okay. We are done for the day. Let's go inside. So you go and rest. Straight. Can you see my hand?
Your hand?
Can you see it at all? One after the other.
Chekube. Chekube!
Auntie, I'm coming.
Hurry up.
Auntie, where
It's okay, stand there. What are you doing inside?
I just finished washing the plates.
Since morning. Plates that you've been washing since morning. You are just finishing. Hey!
I also washed the dirty clothes.
When then? You are not saying it so that everybody will hear that I gave a blind girl my clothes to wash.
No, Auntie.
Oh, you are having free time. Okay? It's okay.
take this jerry can, go to the stream and fetch me water. Oh, say so, with immediate alacrity. Go and fetch me water.
Auntie, hey, Auntie, you know I'm blind. How do you expect me to find my way to the stream?
So if you are blind, are you also deaf and dumb? Eh? Don't you have a stick that you use? You knock it. When you get to the river, you fetch water and you come back. It is a stream that you go to every day. You should be used to the road by now. Blind or no blind. Ordinary blindness.
Try and understand me. I'm blind. Don't you expect me to find my way to the stream? Please, Auntie. Please, I'm begging you.
I see. You are now growing wings. You are talking back, eh? So, I've not been able to clip your wings. Sis, I've not done anything. I've not been able to clip your wings. Okwa? It's right. Go to the stream and fetch me water. To the stream, what's up?
Where's the way to
He's here. Be coming here. Come on, noise.
Auntie.
1, 2. Stop. 3.
Auntie,
Move. Naga. 7 times. You go and come. Remember 7 times you go to that stream and come back. You will not remain one. It is me and you in this house. Fly in the morning, afternoon, and night.
Wait, please. Where's the way to the stream?
Okay. Continue going straight, okay? Yeah, continue going straight.
This way?
No, not this way. Just follow this road, okay? Just continue going, just walk straight, okay? You need this stream, okay?
Okay.
Alright.
Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Okay. What happened to this girl? Does it mean she can't see? God, what is happening? She could be blind. No.
How can you allow that poor innocent girl to go to the stream when you know she cannot see? What kind of wickedness is that? Eh?
Ha! Paul, me, I don't like this thing you are doing. I like Romia Charlie. I like Romia Mancha. How can you say I'm being wicked? This girl got up and said she wanted to go and fetch water from the stream. I said, no, Chikube, don't go. That your condition will not help you. Eh? You cannot go out like that. Osimumba no chije. Okwechili. Now you're saying I'm wicked. I don't like it, though. I like Okwamiao.
You lie. Linda, you lie.
Mwa liar.
You're a liar. Yes.
Mwa liar.
Chikube cannot decide to go to the stream with that condition. She cannot. I know you forced her to because you hate her.
And she's a witch. She's a witch. She's a witch.
Now let me tell you. If anything happens to her, I will kill you. And I mean it.
Okuya. Guna Chekube na Kozenu. It is now you and Chekube. Guna Potozi that you will not listen to your own wife. So my suffering in this house, you will not understand it's Chekube that is causing it. Okay. It's okay. Go on. Go on. You don't know matter.
Can you hear me? Chekube? Chekube? Who are you and what are you doing here?
Man's voice. Sir, please, whoever you are, please help me. Just help me. I went to the stream, but I missed my way back home.
You missed your way. What about your family?
My family, the Okadike family. I stay with my uncle and his wife, Mr. and Mrs. Paul Okadike.
Okadike. There is no family bearing that name in this village.
Huh?
Where are you from?
From Umogugu.
Umogugu?
Yes.
That's very far from this place. This is Uruagu village.
Hey. Hey. I'm finished. How did I get here? Where am I? Sir, please.
Please, I beg you. Help me. Take me home, please. I'm blind. I can't see anything. Please help me, please, I beg you.
You're blind and you went to the stream when you know you can't see.
My auntie. She sent me to the stream because she hates me. Please just help me. I don't know where I am. I don't know what will just come out from nowhere to kill me.
No.
Sir, please help me. Take me home. Please, I beg you.
Don't worry, we won't go this far, but I will try. Don't worry, let me take you home.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you so much, sir. My water.
Get up.
God bless you. God bless you. Thank you.
Let's take this one.
Thank you.
Hey, I've been looking for you. I've been looking for you everywhere. What's happened?
I went to the stream.
Went to the stream? Oh my God.
Is that Mr. Paul?
Oh, good evening, sir.
Good evening.
Please, where did you find her?
Along the road.
Along the road? Oh, thank you very much. I've been looking for her. Please, where are you from?
I'm from Urago village.
Urago village?
Yeah.
That's where you found her?
She said your wife sent her to the stream to fetch water. At the stream.
Jesus. My wife sent you to fetch water, Chukube? Oh, God. Okay, it's okay. I will handle that. I'll handle that. Oga, please, I would like to come and say thank you to you. I would like to come and visit you. Yeah? So, how do I find you?
Okay, if you get down to Urago Village Square, ask for Fijizi's family.
Okay.
They call me Oyibo.
Okay, they call you Oyibo.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you very much. I appreciate it.
Okay.
God will bless you. My name is Paul.
Okay, she told me.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay. Chukwe, let's go, eh? How can your daughter be so heartless and very wicked? She knows very well that that girl is blind. Still, she sent that girl to the stream. What if something bad had happened to that girl? What would I have told the poor mother? Eh? Mama, talk to her. Talk to her. Because if that should repeat again, I will do something bad. Something so nasty.
It has not gotten to that. Good to you know. Linda, Mom, did you hear what your husband said? Are they true?
Mama, that girl is a witch. We cannot live together happily. So, since it was just me and her, and I didn't want her to strangle me in my sleep or something, I sent her to the stream to go and fetch water. She goes to that stream every day, on her gear. So what's the difference? Is it because she's blind? Ordinary blindness. Let her go there and come back.
Linda, you know too well that girl is blind and you sent her
ordinary
to
blindness.
Eh?
Did you hear that?
Hey!
Ordinary blindness.
Linda, did you remember what I told you the day you came here asking me to look for a house help for you? Did you remember? Now, have you forgotten what those women we went to for their children, what they told us? My daughter, have you forgotten? Is it not what you are doing to this poor blind girl? Make it away.
This one is different though. She's a witch.
Linda.
Linda. You don't want to listen to me.
Linda.
Okay.
Why are you this wicked? Where did you learn this wickedness from? Anyway. Linda, I don't have anything to say to you. If for any reason this man sends you packing from his house, believe me, you will see. You will not believe it.
Oh. Papa, so that's your prayer for me. So this gang up is still coming. They're still ganging.
Who is ganging?
They're still ganging.
Behave well. Get the top of the area. What is wrong with you?
There's nothing wrong with me. She's a witch. I'm also called.
Hey. Anyway, I had wanted to come and see you at home before you came with her. You have tried medical doctors and tried native doctors. Nothing has happened. But have you tried God?
That's another thing.
A man of God.
Yes.
Why don't you try and see if you can get a true man of God, pastor or reverend? Let them pray. Let's put everything in prayers.
I will see what I can do.
Biko.
Do it as soon as possible.
I'll do that. I'll do that. It's okay. Thank you very much. I'll be on my way. Let's go. You don't want to go again?
Oh, I'm not going again. You two come here together.
Go with your husband. That's what it is. Come and follow your husband.
Go when.
She's wait for her. She will come and join you.
That girl one more so.
Don't fight it with prayers. Pray with your husband.
She's a witch. I'm also called.
Help.
Brother Paul and Sister Linda, your story is so sympathetic. But I tell you the truth. Because you have come to seek the face of God, the problem is solved already.
Amen.
Let's pray. Father, we give you all the glory. You are the Father that's yet in the light, you are the Father that's yet in the darkness. You know at the beginning from the end and the end from the beginning. You said our children are heritage from you, and the fruit of the womb is our reward. You created male and female. Father, Lord, because your children have come. Thank you, Lord Jesus. Brother Paul,
yes,
there's a big problem.
Pastor, what is it?
Sister Linda, there's a very big problem.
Pastor, what is it?
Where is this girl's mother?
Her mother is in the village, Ajali, precisely.
Her attention is needed.
Pastor, for what?
Her attention is needed.
I don't want her mother to know that she's blind.
Brother Paul, it may interest you to know that this girl's mother is the cause of your wife's problem.
Pastor, no. I don't believe you. I don't believe you because this girl, we've never met before. Our path has never crossed before. It was 2 years ago when I saw her and the mother coming back from the farm. Then I gave them lift. So from there, I asked the mother to allow her daughter to stay with me because we are looking for a house help. Then the mother accepted. So I cannot imagine you saying that the mother is the cause of my wife's problem after all these years.
Let's send for her mother. I believe that everything will be settled today. Let's send for her.
What is these problems? What am I passing through? The doctor said it's stress that is causing my wife's problem. The native doctor said it's chikube that is my wife's problem. And the pastor said it's chikube's mother. Whom will I believe? What will I believe? What is this? What is this? I'm tired. I'm tired of all this stress. I'm tired of all these problems. God, please come to my rescue, please. I'm tired. If you don't want me to have a child, you tell me. You're letting me to pass through. I'm coming.
Please, what happened to my daughter?
Mama, nothing much. Don't panic. She's fine. Pastor said I should bring you. We need to pray for her.
Hey, prayers, these prayers. Are you sure she's alive?
Mama, she's very much alive. She's alive. Don't panic.
Oh, okay, let me go and lock the door.
Okay.
Hey, can someone tell me what happened to my daughter? Hey, oh, you mean my daughter got blind and none of you bothered to tell me? Eh? Someone should talk to me now or else I will call the police.
Madam, please just take it easy, because let's know why the pastor said we should call you.
Madam, please take it easy. I believe that after today's gathering, everything will be fine.
Okay. Just do what you want to do or say. Eh? All I know is that I want my daughter to be okay and fine.
The reason I called you is that while praying for this family, the Holy Spirit revealed to me that you are the cause of this woman's problem.
Yeah. Which woman? What problem?
This woman, ever since she got married, she has been having series of miscarriages and giving birth to dead babies. Up till now, she has no child.
You? Wait, I'm trying to remember something. You!
Is the doctor around?
No, he left about 30 minutes ago. Yes.
Okay. I'll have to go. Maybe I'll come back and do them.
Alright. Bye-bye.
Who is there?
You? What are you doing inside the bush?
I went to ease myself.
Was it not this girl that I saw in the hospital a few minutes ago with a newborn baby? What is she doing inside the bush? A baby is crying inside the bush. What? Chineke, what is this? Hell, Chimo. Hell, Chimo. Hey, and even a knife. Hell, Chimo. Hey, girls of nowadays, oh. Eh? Hey, hey, God. A knife beside the baby. What does she want to do? Does it mean she wants to kill this baby with a knife? Ha! This girl, whoever you are, for attempting to kill this baby, this innocent baby, whom you do not know what she's going to be in the future, for doing this, you will never hear, ever hear the cry of a baby in your house. So shall it be. Nonsense. Hey, you, this heartless and wicked woman. So this is you, eh? Hey!
Honey, you heard what she said. Is it true? Wait, who impregnated you?
Yeah.
Who?
It's true what she said. I got pregnant in my father's house, but I couldn't do anything about it because of what my father said. He said if we commit abortion that the person would die, so I was scared. I went to Ajali to have the baby at my friend's place. I lied to them I was going to stay with my friend. I went there to have my baby and I didn't want to tell anybody what happened. You're the father of the baby. Yes.
The baby's mine. The baby's mine.
Yes.
Madam, please don't be angry, please. Where is the child? Where is the baby? Is he or she? Either he or she, please tell me, so I'll start taking care of the baby. You heard what she said. She said the baby is mine. The baby is mine.
Yes, madam, please, where is the baby? Yes.
Adama, Chekube here is the child. What? Hey! Hey! Philmond! Chimo! Hey!
Tell me that wicked woman is not my mother. Mama, tell me you're my mother.
I am your mother. Just calm down.
My wife was the cause of Chikube's blindness. Her only daughter. My only surviving child. Hey!
Chekube, get up, you're going with me.
Why even?
No! I am taking her with me before this wicked woman will kill her. Eh? You don't get that sort of money. Get up!
I'll see my
The people should stop taking me! Do you know what I suffered? because if you will do it, you don't get gas to Roma. Stop begging me, madam. You're going with me. She's going with me.
Please, why you the number?
You're going. Let up, you're going. You are going with me. Ha! No.
Why even? Please,
Jekube, you comfortable there?
Yes, she is. She's coming.
It's a lie. No, she's not.
Because she is.
Jekube, get up, you're going.
Why are you?
Hey! I suppose. Mbano. Hey!
Unahula iye nne mu mere mu. Unahula iye mama mu mere mu. Nne mu mụchara mu tụnye m n'ime ọhịa. Aka na-ebuzi o mee m isi mee. Ewo, ọ bụ gịnị ka m mere? Mama m, ọ bụ gịnị ka m mere gị o? Onye na-amụghị nwa n'ebe akwa ka ọ mụta o. Iwe mụcha m wee mee m isi mee. Mama m, ọ bụ gịnị ka m mere gị o? Nne m, ọ bụ gịnị ka m mere gị o? Iji wee mụsịa m wee tinye m n'ime ọhịa. A na-ekwu ime m isi mee. Ewo, akwa alịrị egbue m o. Ewo, obi na-agbawa m o. Ije ụwa m o, onye ka m ga-akọrọ? Alịrị egbuo m, alịrị elie m o. Unahula iye nne mu mere mu. Unahula iye mama mu mere mu. Nne mu mụchara mu tụnye m n'ime ọhịa. Aka na-ebuzi o mee m isi mee. Ewo, ọ bụ gịnị ka m mere? Mama m, ọ bụ gịnị ka m mere gị o? Onye na-amụghị nwa n'ebe akwa ka ọ mụta o. Iwe mụcha m wee mee m isi mee. Mama m, ọ bụ gịnị ka m mere gị o? Nne m, ọ bụ gịnị ka m mere gị o? Iji wee mụsịa m wee tinye m n'ime ọhịa. A na-ekwu ime m isi mee. Ewo, akwa alịrị egbue m o. Ewo, obi na-agbawa m o. Ije ụwa m o, onye ka m ga-akọrọ? Alịrị egbuo m, alịrị elie m o.
happened to you?
Chikube hit me.
Chikube hit you? How?
She was sitting at the corner and singing, so I went to meet her to apologize for what I did to her. But she got upset and started shouting. Before I knew what was going on, she used her stick and started hitting me.
You caused it. You caused it. Why did you go to her when you know her condition? And you know she's not happy with you? Anyway, sorry for that.
She's inside.
Who is there?
It's me.
Get out! Get!
Hold on.
Leave me alone!
It's me, your father. It's me. My daughter. Please, I beg you. Please forgive your mother. Okay? I know how you feel. But for the sake of Almighty God and for my sake, please forgive her. Please.
Father, please stop. I will leave this house if you continue talking about that wicked woman. Because that woman is not my mother. Else, when the woman that saved my life and trained me comes, I will have no other choice than to go with her. Because that wicked woman, she has no heart. How could she put her daughter in this current situation?
Because she never knew you are her daughter.
And so? Tell me. And so? So because a woman has someone to help her, she must make her blind or kill her. Just because the girl isn't her child. No. Please just change the topic. Don't talk about that wicked woman again. I don't want to hear anything about her.
It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying. I've heard you. It's okay. Have you eaten?
He wants me to eat whose food? The food prepared by that woman. No. I won't eat it. I don't want to taste anything from her. I won't.
Okay. What if I prepare the food by myself? Are you going to eat? Okay. Let me get you something to eat. Okay?
Ewo, abo
Who is there? It is me, my daughter. Oh, I brought food for you.
What did you call me? You are not my mother. So take that thing you call food away.
I am your mother. Please. I brought food for you.
I said get out! Get out!
You need to eat.
Hey, Yakube. My daughter. Hey, it's me, my dear. How are you? How are you?
Hey. I brought you your favorite. White rice and banga soup. Hey.
Mama.
You like it, eh? When I was coming in, I saw your face. It looks very, very scary. Eh? You look very angry.
Yes, Pastor.
I have a suggestion. There is this friend of mine who is a medical doctor. He stays abroad. I don't know if you'll be able to make up some money so that we can fly your daughter abroad for an operation. I believe since her blindness is not from birth, if she's being operated, she'll get better.
Pastor, I like the idea. Yes, I like the idea. Please call your daughter friend and confirm the cost. Maybe I'll sell off my car and one of my land and make up the money.
It's okay. It's okay. I'll give you feedback tomorrow.
Okay, okay. Please, if you can do this for me, I'll be very happy.
It's okay.
Okay. But, Pastor, thank you very much.
But there is one thing you should know. God is the healer of all wounds. He's the Alpha and the Omega, the author and finisher of our faith.
Thank you, Pastor.
He will heal your daughter.
Thank you very much.
They've done it. My Chekube can see. Hey, praise God, oh, praise God. I'm at home, oh. Hey, Ngwano. Is she there with you? Let me talk to her. She's sleeping. Hey, Mamo. Oh, Ngwano, I will wait. When you call again, I will talk to her. Oh, Biko. Ngwandalo, the mama. Thank you. Hey. No problem. I wrote the mom no. Okay. Ngwano, bye-bye. Oh, bye-bye. Hey. Thank God, oh. Thank God, oh. Chekube mwam. Hey. Hey, Chekube, how are you? You can see. You can see. Hey! Okay.
It's okay. I will talk to her. You know she's still very angry. Huh?
Hey, why, Kwan?
It's okay. I will talk to her. Let me bring down my brother.
Hey, Chekube. Hey, welcome.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Thank you.
Thank you. Let me help you with one.
It's okay.
Yeah.
What?
2,500.
Okay, 2,500. Okay, this is 3,000. Just keep the change, eh?
Hey! Power! Easy.
Yeah, keep the change. It's okay.
Hey, Chekube, Ocham, how are you? You enjoying your juice? See these clothes, eh? Very fine clothes. Very expensive. I bought them for you. Look at that one. And this black one. I know this one will fit you well because you're very fair. And it will bring out your color as a very yellow person. Eh?
What's all this? Did I tell you I need clothes? Huh? Listen to me. If I want any of these clothes, I have a father. And also, the mother who trained me. They will get it for me. So now just take this thing out of here. Take this, get out!
This is no job I bought for you.
I said go! Go away! I said get out! Take it out of here! Listen to me. This is my father's house. So if you want to cook your food, you go to your own father's house to cook it. I decide and say whatever happens in this house. Do you hear me?
Ocham, Biko, Biko, forgive your mother. I know all I did to you was very bad. But I have changed. And I'm sorry. Biko, forgive me. What I did was really, really bad, but Biko, if whatever you want me to do, anything in Hobo, just tell me, I will do it. But please forgive me. Not for my sake, not for anything, but for the sake of God, just forgive me, Biko. Biko, Zian. Forgive me. What else does she want me to do? It's until I commit suicide that she will forgive me.
Please stop crying. Stop crying. I've told you to exercise patience. That very soon she will calm down.
Till when? Is it after I've committed the suicide? Yeah, because the enemy I've begged. And you go me, God
forbid you will commit suicide. Okay? I will talk to her. She will calm down. Okay? But you know what you did to that girl was too bad.
No, I know. And I'm sorry. I know and I'm sorry. Now you're saying I'm no Because
it's okay. It's okay. We will go and see the pastor tomorrow. Please to help us beg her. Okay? I believe her mind will calm. Now let's go inside and sleep.
I don't want to go inside.
Please, you cannot sleep here.
I want to sleep outside.
Please just get up. Oh? It's okay.
Sister Linda, please stop crying. I will handle this myself. Brother Paul, you have to come here with your daughter. At least she listens to you.
Pastor, I will try my best, but I know she's still very angry with the mother. She swore never to forgive her. But I'll try my best. Oh, let me go and bring her immediately. Honey, hold on, I'm coming, okay?
Said I'll call my sheep and my sheep will hear my voice. She will hear the mother's voice in Jesus' name. It's okay.
I wish I knew. It's so difficult. I'm so sorry.
Chikube, why is it that you don't want to forgive your mother? Honestly speaking, you have suffered her enough. Remember, the Bible says that if there is no sin, there will not be any forgiveness. Even our Lord Jesus forgives us our own sins. The people that killed him on the cross of Calvary, he still forgives them. You sin again, do you think it's by your own power? No, it is by the grace of God that you're able to see again. So why can't you forgive your mother? Please, Chekube, forgive your mother.
No,
I cannot. Because this woman, she's wicked. You don't have a conscience. And she does not deserve my forgiveness. She's not my mother. I can't forgive her.
Chekube.
She has gone home to me too.
Don't worry, she will calm down. She will.
I think I know what to do. Let's go.
Chekube, my grandmother. We all here know that your mother, Linda, who is my daughter, treated you so bad. We are not happy with her. Oh, Nne, please forgive her. She has learned her lessons. Biko, hello? She is still your biological mother. There's no two ways about that. Oh, Biko, Chekube, forgive her.
My granddaughter, I have kept quiet all this while, not because I don't know what to say, but because what my daughter Linda did had left me speechless. You have to forgive her. Listen to the plea of all these people here. Thank God you have regained your sight. It shows that God loves you. Please, you have to go to God. I want all of you to stay as one big family.
You know how bad I felt about this matter. My being here means that I'm forgiving her. I've even erased the cause I did for her. So if I have forgiven her, what am I going to do?
No! I can't forgive this woman. She has no conscience. She doesn't deserve my forgiveness. You're a wicked woman. Do you know what she did to me? No, I can't forgive her. I won't forgive her.
Oyoyo mama ewo chuku chekube mu. Oyoyo mama mu ewo chuku chekube mu. Onye na-akpọ nwa m ewo Chukwu chekwube m ụdalugo nwa m ewo Chukwu chekwube m nne gị na-akpọ gị ewo Chukwu chekwube m abịa iwe gị dajụa mama m jem ọnụ bịakene mama m jeba mba bịakene Chukwu chekwube nwa m bịa iwe gị dajụa ọmụma sarụ oyoyo nwa m ụdala mmicha m achalugo nwa ugogbe m ji ahụ ụzọ ọlaedo m chekwube bịa 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 asị m onye na-akpọ nwa mma ewo Chukwu chekwube m ụdalugo nwa m ewo Chukwu chekwube m oyoyo nwa m ewo Chukwu chekwube m
Please forgive me. I'm your mother, brother, everything that makes me. I go get my blood pressure. Help me, I beg her. Please help me, I beg her. Forgive your
mama mo mere mo nne mo mụchara mo tunye m n'ime ọhịa onye na-amụghị nwa n'ebe akwa ka ọ mụta
My wife shall deliver safely. Nothing shall happen to her in the mighty name of Jesus. Amen.
Mr. Ford, congratulations. Your wife has delivered a baby.
Are you serious?
Bouncing baby boy?
Yes.
Did you hear that?
Yes. And the baby is alive?
Yes, the mother and the baby, they are alive. Soon they will come into the world and you will see them.
Can we see them now?
They will come out to the world, so you will see them. Okay. All right, then
Oh God, finally.
Auntie, bara wicked. Obi poro yanko. Owelu kosieme. Ogo punuka. Kosieme go charema. Auntie, obi talantimili. Auntie, bara wicked. Obi poro yanko. Owelu kosieme. Ogo punuka.